Hello YouTube world. You got an older model GMC or Chevy pickup and you want to install some of these window deflectors on there? I'm going to show you how. Now I got these off of Amazon. They're auto vent shade. It's a pretty popular brand. They make bug shields, these window deflectors, a lot of plasticky accessories for trucks. What really frustrates me is they don't send instructions with how to install these. You have a QR code that you scan. Now that's all fine and dandy, but the QR code takes you to a website with a set of very general instructions on how to put these on any vehicle. I finally figured out how these go, and I want to save you the trouble so you can watch this video and just say, here's how I put them on. Let's get into it. Now most of your modern windows on vehicles have a track that they set between, and there's a nice little gasket that goes all the way around. Well, what makes these so tricky is you don't have that. If you look here, the sides are actually flush with the exterior trim on the window. Only the top part goes up inside of the gasket. Outside is flush. There's really no channel for these to set in or the window would not roll up. That's why they send you these tabs to use, because these tabs go under the weather stripping and they're going to allow the flange on the end of your window deflector to go on the exterior of your door rather than relying on this channel to pinch it. And that's the only way these will work. So let me show you how to install them. Clean that as best as you can. After you've cleaned the surface with the prep pads, they send a larger pad that's kind of like a primer. This is an adhesion promoter. And I don't know what it does, but it basically preps the surface so that it is most readily to accept the glue. Now the big wide channel on this clip is where your window deflector is going to slide into. The small little channel there that just barely has a lip is what goes in your door. So you're just going to take your thumb, you're going to peel back the weather stripping and pop this into place. So that clip will set right up in the top corner of your door like that, and that little slot there is where you're going to put this piece of the flange through.
Peel a corner of the backing before installing this thing so you can get a hold of it to remove it. You want to roll the window up tight against it to hold it in place after you've had it positioned.
Well, there it is. You're supposed to let it dry for about 72 hours just to make sure that that tape that you peeled really sticks to the weather stripping and that they don't fall off when you crank the windows down.